Howdy folks, you on the C Gonna Speed 252 show. Scroll over to the right, click that subscribe button, join this awesome community.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of C Gonna Speed 252. Thank you so much for pushing that play button. Thank you so much for joining this video. I cannot thank you guys enough. Sorry I've been away from the channel for a while. A lot of acting projects, a lot of acting classes, and my work has just taken over my life. But I'm so glad to be back. I'm so glad to be posting YouTube videos. And some of you guys have been asking about the C7 Corvette. And you guys know I got a C8 Corvette at home as well. But before we get into this episode, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Definitely go right now and get this video a thumbs up. Do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button as well. Become part of this awesome community. That way you can get all the latest and the greatest uploads on the C7 Corvette, the C8 Corvette, and possibly a Z06, depending on how things unfold with that vehicle. As of right now, you guys know how the Z06 process has been, so we're not going to get into those details. But here we are with the C7 Corvette. A lot of people have been asking me, texting me, emailing me, what's going on with the C7 Corvette? Are you pro-charging? Are you supercharging? Are you doing anything to it? Do you even still have that car? As you guys can see, I still have this car right now. We're currently at the dealership trying to get this bad boy an oil change. I want to go ahead and make a video because I wanted to strive everything I love about this car that people actually ask about all the time, and how many miles are on it, what have I done to it, and just any new information on my C7 Corvette. As you guys know, this is a 7th generation Corvette. It's still, to me, a beautiful looking car. Anybody that owns a C7 Corvette, you should be thankful because, man, the C7 Corvette, to me, just looks amazing. I mean, I love the body style look. Now, granted, a lot of people have transitioned over to the C8 Corvette because of the looks and how exotic it looks. But the C7 Corvette is still an amazing, beautiful car. So, with that being said, as you guys know, definitely, again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. It's a little chilly outside, so please forgive me for talking a little fast. My fingers are a little numb and all that good stuff as well. So, this is a 2017 C7 Corvette. I bought brand new, like I said, back in 2017. I paid, pretty decent amount of money for it. It did get a good sale on it, so I'm greatly appreciated for that, and I can describe that in a later video. As you guys can see, I chrome wrapped the entire car. Now, the car was originally blue. I can go ahead and break that down for you right now. So as I'm opening up the door here, as you guys can see, this is the original color of the car when I first bought it. And it's still the original color of the car, obviously. This wrap is just wrapped over top of what I currently have right now. I have this wrap on the car since 2018. It's been a phenomenal wrap. It has held up pretty well. I know a lot of people don't really get chrome wraps because chrome wraps don't last that long, but this car pretty much stays in the garage. And it does have a little bit of peel here and there, but not enough for me to actually take the whole wrap off and do something different. I can actually peel it back or do what I need to do to get that fixed. And I also have some extra chrome wrap at home, so if something ever to happen, I can take care of it. I got the wrap done by Insane Designs, as you guys can see right here, which is on the dashboard. So if I actually need to get done again, I'm pretty sure he'll take care of it for me. As you guys can see, the C Gonna Speed 252 key tags. If you want one of those bad boys, go over to my website right now. Those are my 2 key tags. Go check out the website, www.cgonaspeed252.com. Those key tags are on sale for all of my subscribers right now. Definitely go check those out. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys' pictures and seeing those key tags on your key rings as well. The other thing that I actually did to my Grand Sport was added this lip, this second stage on my Corvette Grand Sport. It came with the stage 1 aero kit. I didn't like it as much. It was okay, it got the job done, but I think the stage 2 aero kit makes the car stand out and make it a little bit better. As you guys can see, this is actually not a modification, but I got C Gonna Speed 252 right here in the windows, C Gonna Speed 252 on that window as well. And I had the C Gonna Speed 252 logo, but that blew off in the wind when I was going 200 miles per hour. I'm so kidding. Just over time, that sticker kind of worn off. I wasn't going 200 miles per hour. As you guys can see right here, originally this car, like I said, I just got the chrome done onto it. This is actually wrapped black. I got these painted gloss black. I got this actually wrapped black as well. I got this painted gloss black. This came actually blue, which matched the same interior color of the car as far as in the door jambs right here. Now that's what my interior looks like. You would call that Kalahari. As far as in the C8 goes, they now call that natural. I got the side skirts on there as well. So as you guys can see, I got the chrome wrap here on the side, and then I actually added this as an addition to just make it pop just a little bit to match the red calipers. Now the red calipers are actually painted as well. These didn't come like this. They actually came black with the car. These are not the factory wheels anymore. The factory wheels were Michelin Sport Cup 2s, if I'm not mistaken. And if there wasn't, they were definitely Michelin for sure. And I actually wore those bad boys out while going to the track a lot, drag strips, and all those fun, wonderful things. And I decided to now add the Contact Sports Extreme, which my friend Mike recommended those to me. And they was pretty affordable, gave me the same quality as my Michelin's did as well. And so I greatly appreciate it. Now these wheels right here came from MRR. I really love them a lot. These are part of the set of wheels that I don't have ceramic coated. I need to get them ceramic coated because the brake dust kind of builds up a little bit on these bad boys. So I need to get that taken care of. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. And then I got the front split on this bad boy as well. Now this need to be like taken off and put a new one on because this one got a couple of straights on the bottom. As you know, the C7 don't lift up and down at all. So it's one of those things where like you bound to get some scratches underneath. I do have another one from ACS Composite that I need to replace this one with. So if anybody interested in this one, let me know. It does have some damage underneath, but once I take this one off, I will make a video to bring it to you guys to show you guys that that has been taken care of. I got the rocker side skirts underneath as well. Now, what I like most about these wheels is that they are really durable. MRR make really amazing wheels. So if you guys are interested in some of that wheels, you should definitely go check them out for sure. Go to their website, mrr.com. As you can see, MRR. And you go over there, custom wheels. You can have an amazing, great set of wheels if you buy them. They're affordable, they're outstanding, and you will greatly appreciate the quality that comes with those guys' wheels. And like I said before, this car is a 2017. It has roughly 32,000 miles on it. Let's see, put this right there. Roughly 32,000 miles on it, like 32,200. So it has a decent set of miles on this bad boy. I definitely have been driving it. I really greatly appreciate this car a lot. Let's go ahead and drive it drive it inside. Hit that bad boy crank up for me one time. There we go, there we go. All right, they told me I can go ahead and bring it in. Now I brought it in today for an oil change. Actually, my tire pressure is low as well, as you can see right there. Tire pressure low. And then oil change. So let's go ahead and drive this bad boy in. Let me take the emergency brake off really quickly. Now here we go. Emergency brake release. We're driving this bad boy on in as soon as this door opens up. It's a little drizzly out here today, so but you know what? I don't mind that. It's not like I'm driving the car in the rain completely. But I am grateful for being able to own one of these bad boys. So you can see right there, let's see, park brake, 32,395 miles on this bad boy. So decent amount of miles since 2017. Like I said, I bought it brand new, first owner. It's still clean in the inside, no issues, no scuffs, no scratches, no marks. I mean, maybe a little bit of dust on the dashboard here, but man, I really appreciate this car a lot. It is a phenomenal car. Got the windows tinted as well. This roof does come off, as most of the people who owns a C7 know that. For the people who don't own a C7, yes, this roof comes off. It is not a convertible, it's a coupe. And I keep my heat going, and I just really love it. It's an automatic, you know what I'm saying? So it's one of those things. I appreciate it. I got this done as well, so that way, like, you know, people think it's hidden and all that good stuff. I like this Jake logo right here. Glove box is full of stuff. Let's go ahead and close that bad boy up. I got the floor mats down there as well. I like this car, man. I really do. I really like this car a lot. Got my Seagonna Speed 252 cars right there with the ink pen. I really appreciate this car and what it has to offer. I mean, the C7 is a beautiful car. So for you guys who own a C7, man, goodness gracious, this is an amazing, amazing car for sure. I know a lot of people are going to talk about my wrap steering wheel, but I got this over the car just so that my oily hands and greasy hands doesn't mess up the steering wheel, because, man, I had a car before in the past that I never put one of these on, and over time, it just, my fingerprints was all in this, and it just looked really bad. So, guys, I thank you so much for watching this episode of Seagonna Speed 252. Cannot thank you enough. Definitely give this video a thumbs up. Definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in another episode of Seagonna Speed 252. I'm giving you more details about the C7 Corvette here coming up.